Erling Haaland, Kevin De Bruyne, Mahrez, Philip Foden, and a lot of Manchester City football stars here. Jared Ruben. Of course, this one is just Philip Foden, who is just touching the ball instantly. Of course, there is also Rodriguez, the midfield of the Manchester City Football Club. Here, Kyle Walker, the lefty, the light full back of the Manchester City Football Club. This one is Akanji, the centre back of the Manchester City. Of course, it's a full squad of the Manchester City Football Club, and here is just a training ground with their head coach Pep Guardiola. This one is Ederson, the professional and international goalkeeper of the Manchester City. Ederson is, of course, it's just incredible training that they have been preparing to face their great opponent in the first leg match against Real Madrid at Santiago Bernabeu. Fantastic Bernabeu Stadium, and in fact, it should be quite clear that that's going to be one among of the difficulty, one among of the decisive match on both sides, as Real Madrid wants to make sure that